Let's start. Force and pressure, right? What is force? Anything like the push or a pull of an object is called a force, right? What is force? That is the push or pull of an object. किसी चीज को खींचना या धक्का देना, that is called the force. ठीक है? Now what the force will do? What are the effects of the force? What are the effects of force? Very nice. Force can change the shape of object, force can change the direction, can stop the object, can move the object. ठीक है? Change and shape हो गया, that can change the shape, ठीक है? Direction, speed, that is called the force. Effects of the force, right? That are called the effects of the force. यानी कि force can do number of the things. It can make the object stationary object to at rest, and the rest object to make a stationary. Stationary means moving. ठीक है जी? So these are the effects of the force. Now what are the force? Like how force are applying? यानी कि हम force कैसे लगा रहे हैं? How we can apply the force? ठीक है? That is the classification of the force. Classification of force में अगर हम बात करें तो we are having number of the forces, but these forces are broadly divided into two main types. That is the contact force and non-contact force. What do you mean by the contact force? The forces which can move only by the physical contact. यानी कि when we are when the object is the two objects हो गया, या when two bodies they are in contact, then we will say the contact force. अब contact force में कौन से ऐसे forces हैं जो आपके, that is the muscular force. What do you mean by the muscular force? The force that is applied by the muscles. Then second one is mechanical. The force that is applied by the machines. Third is frictional force. ठीक है? अब मस्कुलर फोर्स में if we will see, तो एग्जांपल हमारे पास इन मस्कुलर फोर्स लिफ्टिंग अ बकेट, ठीक है, बाइसाइकिल, पैडलिंग अ बाइसाइकिल, हाँ, और क्या, लिफ्टिंग अ हैवी बॉक्स हो गया. देन what is the example of the mechanical force? Car, by how it will show the mechanical force? By the engine. Naturally the car will move on its wheels, but the wheels will come into motion when we will start the engine. That is the mechanical force, when the force exerted by a machine. Then it is called the windmill example. Sailboats are the example, because every object that we are talking about, sailboat, windmills, these are acting or these are working, or these are based on the engine. ठीक है? That is by the machine. That is the muscular, right? Then the frictional force. What is the frictional? Rubbing of the two things. When the one object opposes the motion of the other object. एक object अगर आगे जा रहा है, दूसरा उसको oppose कर रहा है. When the force acting on it in the opposes the motion, उसकी motion को रोकना, then this is called the frictional force. Example, हाँ. When the ball comes to at rest, it is an example of the frictional force. ठीक है? How it comes to rest? Friction between the ground and the ball. The ball will stop after some time because due to the presence of the frictional force. Now on the other side, non-contact force. Non-contact forces, those which are not in contact. That means it's not necessary the object should be in contact. So that is called the non-contact forces. In this non-contact forces means the forces acting without the involvement, मतलब without touching the object. तो इसमें कौन कौन सी हमारे पास है? Gravitational, magnetic and electrostatic. Right? If we are talking about the gravitational force is what? When the force acting by the earth, yeah, due to the gravity. What is gravity? When the object move towards या attract towards the earth, या जो भी object आपने when you will throw, it will automatically comes down. ठीक है? That is called the gravitational force. The force acting by the या the force exerted by the earth due to the gravity. ठीक है? This is called the gravitational force. What do you mean by the magnetic force? धीरे, हाँ. कौन सी things? Iron. When the magnet attracts the iron object toward itself, then this force is called the magnetic force. वहां पे it is not necessary to touch the iron chippings. You can bring the iron chippings near to the magnet. आपने वो पेपर क्लिप्स देखे हैं, it will automatically move towards the magnet. ठीक है? You are just keeping, आपका फ्रिज है, रेफ्रिजरेटर, it will automatically जो डोर है वो क्लोज हो जाता है due to the presence of the magnet in it. है ना? डोर automatically closes. That is due to the आपकी sometime the geometry boxes and the kits are like this. कि when you are doing so automatically they will close due to the presence of the magnet. So it is not necessary in the magnetic force that it should be in contact. ठीक है? Then the third one is the electrostatic force. The force exerted by the charged body to the another charged body or uncharged body. Means like what kind of this force? हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं? चार्ज बॉडी से दूसरी को चार्ज करना. यहाँ उसमें क्या होगा? देखो, अगर तो होता है कि अगर if we are talking about charge body to the another charge body, definitely in that case we have to see which charge is present on the both the objects. Suppose I am talking about one, I am having, I already told you about the charges कि किस किस पे कौन सा charges है, positive और negative we already discussed, right? अब उसमें हम बात कर रहे हैं कि if we are saying कि one positive charge is present on the other object, if negative charge is there, they will attract towards itself. But when one positive and the other is also having the same charge, they will repel one another. Means the opposite charges, they attract each other, whereas the same charges, they repel one another. That is called the electrostatic force. Example of the electrostatic force we had discussed. Dry hair, it acquires some charge. It attracts the bits of the paper. That is called the electrostatic force. Is this clear? Force का हो गया. What are the units of the force? Newton. The units of the force is Newton. Force के जो units हैं, that is the Newton. Right? इसके units हैं हमारे पास Newton. It's all about the force. यहाँ तक किसी को doubt है तो please पूछ. Yes, anyone is having any doubt, then please ask. नहीं. Now, after this, we will discuss about the pressure. Right? What is pressure? Pressure is the force acting on per unit area. Right? For pressure is equal to the force acting on per unit area. That is called pressure. Right? What is the meaning of this like definition? Force per unit area means if I am taking this brick, right, and on the other side I am taking this one. Okay? According to the definition, force per unit area. यहाँ पे एक और चीज मैंने याद करवाई होगी कि force is directly proportional to the pressure. or the pressure is directly proportional to force and pressure is inversely proportional to area. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब फोर्स बढ़ेगी प्रेशर भी बढ़ेगा, प्रेशर बढ़ेगा फोर्स भी बढ़ेगी, ये एक दूसरे के साथ साथ चलेगा. If one increasing, other will also increase. If one decrease, other will also decrease. But in this case, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिट चलते हैं. अगर प्रेशर बढ़ गया तो एरिया कम हो जाएगा, अगर एरिया कम हो गया तो मतलब वाइस वर्सा. अगर हमारे पास, अगर मैं ये दो एग्जांपल्स ले रही हूँ, इफ आई एम टेकिंग दीज एग्जांपल, इन दिस केस एरिया इज मोर, दीज आर द ब्रिक्स, है ना, जस्ट द पोजीशन इज डिफरेंट. To keeping the bricks on the table or on the floor, the position is different. In this area, more, मतलब in this brick area is more. अगर area ज़्यादा है, as I am saying कि ये opposite चलते हैं. If the area is more, then the pressure is less. यहाँ पे area is less, तो pressure क्या होगा? More. Getting my point? This is the inversely proportional to the area. ये opposite चलेंगे. Force and pressure, they will go simultaneously, exactly the same, right? अब we are taking force. Force के unit हमने क्या लिए? Newton. ठीक है. Area के units क्या है? Area किसमें लेते हो आप? Meter into meter. That is Newton per meter square. We can write in this way also. ठीक है. I told you to write on the other way, minus लिख के. And it is, this pressure term is given by the Pascal. This is given by the Pascal. Scientist का name है. On that, its units are also called Pascal. Pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. These are the units of the pressure. How it will vary, that I told you. You can take the number of example in this case. If I am talking about the heels, अगर मेरी heel pencil heel है, that means area बहुत कम है, तो pressure क्या होगा? More. If I will wear the flat shoes, then the area will be more and pressure is less. ठीक है. Other example, blunt and the sharp knives. ठीक है. If you are using the blunt knife, then we are not able to cut the pieces किसी भी चीज के. And if we are taking a sharp knife, then we can easily cut it. ठीक है. Nails. ठीक है. आपको nails डालने हैं, उसका भी आगे अगर तो sharp है, then it will easily, pressure will be more because the area is less. You can say truck tires, 6 to 8 tires. ठीक है. To reduce the pressure. ठीक है. You are having the school bags. These are the applications ना. You are having the school bags. हमारे school bags है. You used to put it on a one side. तो घर जाके ये दर्द होता है ना. But when we are holding the bag on both the shoulders, then we will not feel anything because area more हो गया, pressure less हो गया. Getting my point? Area ज़्यादा हो गया, pressure less. ठीक है. Number of the examples are there. Building foundation. If the area जो छोटा होगा, अगर area तो you can stand the 3-story building, but agar area is less, that time it will be difficult. Belt on the tank tires, they can easily. Camel can walk in the sand easily because of the broad feet. Okay, these are the examples of the pressure, that is the applications also. Right now, after that, the numericals are there. We already discussed the numericals. Now, numericals we already had discussed on this pressure, that is the force per unit area. We have to keep the two things in our mind. First, we have to see the units. What units are giving? ठीक है. Suppose अगर आपको एक numerical है, the body weighs 240 Newton. Weighs 240 Newton, and the area acting on it, like the body weighs 240 Newton, is lying on a table covering a area is 6 meters square. ठीक है. Find the pressure. तो आपको pressure निकालना. What is pressure? Force per unit area. What is force? Newton है. That means okay. 240 Newton and area in the meter square. Okay. 6 4s are 24. 40 Newton per meter square or 40 Pascal, right? But if the units are different, suppose अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, they are saying 10 centimeter, a brick is 10 centimeter length, breadth, height, तीनों given है, 20 is this and 10 is the width, ठीक है? Right? They had given length, breadth and height, but we are not calculating the volume, we are going to calculate the area. So हम उसमें से length and breadth लेते हैं, right? And it weighs a, कोई भी उसका body का weight कर लो, 30 कर लो, ये ठीक है, ये ले लेते हैं 240 न्यूटन, राइट? अब ये हमारे पास न्यूटन से हमें पता चल गया ये क्या है, फोर्स, ये क्या है, एरिया की वैल्यूज हैं, दैट इज लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. हमारे पास प्रेशर क्या होता है, फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया, यूनिट्स क्या होते हैं, न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द सेंटीमीटर इनटू मीटर. हमने क्या करा, 30 सेंटीमीटर इज द लेंथ divided by 100, it becomes 3/10, right? In the same way, ये breadth ये ले लो, ये रहने दो, that is the breadth 10 by 100, then it will cancel 1/10. दोनों length and breadth आ गई. Then what we will do, we will put the values, that is 240 Newton, that is force, and the length and breadth, that is 3/10 multiply 1/10, right? It will become 243 into 1, 10 into 10 ऊपर चला जाएगा, ये ऊपर चले जाएंगे. You can also do it like with the decimal also. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 240 0.3 0.1 0.3 into 0.1 लिख के फिर इनके डेसिमल हटा के भी हम 10 into 10 we can write in any way, right? Then what we will do, 3 8s are 24, कितना हो गया, 1 2 3 है ना, 8000 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर और 8000 पास्कल. Is it clear? How? Anything you can write, any example you can write, मतलब value you can write. You can solve it with the help of the decimals, मतलब divide करके decimals में भी you can do it in the fraction form and then we can revise. समझ आ गया बच्चों? आपने लगाई नहीं थी, अब आ रहा है, पता लग रहा है, क्लियर है? एनी डाउट? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज पहले पूछ लो.